continuation of our discussion, a need of an hour that how Ramayana should be introduced, inculcated, and practiced in our modern system or a society, especially through academic institutions. Now, the philosophy behind it, behind creating a Ramayanam Vidyapitham, uh, my vision is to develop Ramayana University on an sprawling campus of more than 150 acres of land. Though there is no such limit, but at least we require 150 acres of land. Uh, as far as Indian standards are concerned, the flagship programs will be on Ramayana, where the orientation program, our uh, basic semester, will focus more on the studies and implementation of Ramayana. Now, when we move ahead, in Ramayana Vidyapitham, we will focus more on research side in Vedas, Upanishads, Purans, and Shastra. That is one part. The second part, that we will create a robust online platform where we can deliver certificate diploma programs through online mode. The second, of course, regular one, where of course entry requirements will be on an international standard size, and of course on a hybrid mode also, covering both distance learning and personal contact programs. Now, the entire structure of Ramayanam Vidyapitham will focus on Center of Excellence. The most prominent one will be the creation of Prabhu Shri Ram Center of Excellence in Values, Ethics and Leadership, where we will do research in leadership, values and ethics. There are a number of more Center of Excellences like uh, Bajrangbali Center or Hanuman Center of Management Thought Process, Vasisht Center of Astronomy and Philosophy, Anga Center of Diplomacy. There will be more than 35 Center of Excellences. We'll focus more on Vedic management, Vedic mathematics, Vedic philosophy, Vedic culture. Uh, but at the end of the day, the university will not be a traditional one. It will be more modern and fully IT enabled and well equipped as far as IT infrastructure, residence facilities are concerned, good faculty exchange programs, calling experts both from India and abroad, doing research, hardcore research, and a real outcome. As I keep on saying that our Ramayana consists of 24,000 verses and we have 7 Kands. That is Bal Kand, Ayodhya Kand, then Kishkinda Kand, Aranya Kand, we have Sundar Kand, we have Lanka Kand, and we have Uttar Ramayana, Uttarakhand. So 7 Kands we have to devise in such a form that it is in itself a kind of mega university. Now we have to comprise the entire 7 Kand into one part. And I'm, with my experience after going through Valmiki Ramayana and Ramcharitmanas, the entire Ramayana consists of the best management theories, the best engineering technology, the best space science, earth science, liberal arts, whatever you thought, whatever your limit, it goes on. So this is the entire structure of Ramayanam Vidyapitham, and I expect that more and more people should come forward and support this initiative. Thank you very much.